Hello again, guys. Yes, it's me, Dan, and welcome back to part 3 of building the battleship Bismarck in this wonderful Sluban kit that I've got here. As you've seen in the other two, it's slowly coming together, and this is, like I was saying last time, this is actually turning out to be a lot more fun than I thought it would be. We are still in the basic parts of the hull, as you can see, so let's just pick up where we left off. And we're still, like, I'll bring the instructions so you can see. Now, if you remember, we were up to, it was still on bag number 24, although it looks like we've been moving on to another couple of bags soon. All right, there we go. Look at that. Very big, very impressive. So now, hull, rear parts. Let's see, so we need some of these just here. Bag number 24. Open those up. And these pieces here, nice long pieces there. Where are they going? Going on there. I'll do that properly, sorry. Oh, wait, no, jump the gun a little bit. No, that doesn't go there. So we needed 2 of those, 2 of those, and some more of these. All right, so to open up another bag, this is number 2. Do it the old-fashioned way, use your teeth. So, bring this open. Oh, probably should have cut it open before I started recording, but that doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's grab the pieces that we need. So from number 2, we need a 3. There's that one. And that one. And that one. These 2 here. And then the smaller versions of those. Just fish around a bit till we find them. There's one. And where is another? There we go. Those 2. What else do we need? And then we need like the other 2 except 4 across. Which would be that one there. And that one, those 2 there. Flat 3. Flat 3. And the solid 3. Oh no, we need 2 of the flat 3s. Fish around a bit until I find it. Actually, I might move that over there. Now, where is it? Where are you? Elusive piece of the flat 3. There we go. Got it there. Okay. And that one there. Fantastic. So, now this piece. These 2 go on, these pieces there, so they go onto there, and then onto there, and then the larger ones on top, secure them in. Very nice. So now that we've done that, that's that part there. And then we're going to move up to here. With the 2 smaller, I will do these 2, the larger ones. They go there, one there, and one there, and then the three, the triplets. 2 across, put those together. Goes there, it's just below the one there. And then onto there. Oh, no, sorry, I've gotten the wrong. Oh, I see what I've done. It's these ones. Yes, these ones. These are the ones that I should have grabbed. And then we've got, oh wait, no, I was actually right the first time, sorry, let me take those off. This goes there. And there. Whoops. And wait a minute, no. Okay, I'll get it properly this time. So I needed 2 of those and 4 of the other. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to do it properly. It goes there, and there. Beautiful, very nice. I love watching this thing come together. There's something enormously satisfying about it now that it's really starting to take shape. All right, so let's go over to the next page. All right, so now we want to go to bag number 25. Bag number 25 there, so we need these pieces. More of the same. I'll try and get it right the first time, so instead of doing it 3 times in a row. Now, once again, I should have opened these bags before I started the video. A little undignified opening things with your teeth, but you know, I'm sure it's not that bad out there in viewer land. So I'll just take some of these pieces out so I can get to the ones that I need. So like the longer ones and the standing ones there. Yes, as you can see, this is really going to start coming together now, isn't it? All right, now we want 2 of these. So how many do they got there? 6 across. So 1 and 2. And they look to be getting, they're going there. Yes, up that end. Like so. And then one piece that is 3 by 4, which is this one here. And goes there. And then we got 2 more, these pieces here, and they facing outward, just like that. Now we're going to move on to these ones here. So we've got 4 along the top with the facing out. So one there, come on. Lock in place. There we go. And now we need pieces on top of there. So, which is 2 we need. So, once again, so 4 of those, 4 of those, and 4 of those. Okay, so let me just accumulate them for you. 1, 2, 3. One of those, 4 of them, 4 for the top, and then with the 4 facing out just there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they go like that. One on top, and then we need, one thing I forgot, so these, 4 of these, just the 2 pieces there. Then we accumulate and make them into these little blocks. So put them together. Click on top. And 1. There's 2, so those 2. And we're going to need 2 more. Very nicely making Sluban Bismarck come to life. The range of Sluban is quite vast actually. There's a great number of ships and aircraft and armored vehicles that if you're into that kind of thing, you really, really love this brand. And there you go. On there. Facing out. Yes. Hold it up a little bit so you can see. Look at that. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. All right, let's put this down. All right, so now we're up to page number 12. So we're still on bag number 25, like I was showing you earlier. So we're gonna need some of these pieces. So there's 6 across. Oh, 6 across on both sides. So a nice square. So I've got 1 of those, 4 across, 4 across, 1 of those, 2 of these, which is, I'll just make sure I've got 4 and 8. 4 makes 8, yep. Across the top, those 2. 2 of these little dealies. And the similar ones, but they've got a solid top, not a high one. And then we're going to need some, how many? 2 of the angled pieces. Where's the other one? There it is. Yeah, there we go. Those 2. The smaller pieces that I just used on the other parts. Oh no, I need 4 of them, sorry. And 1 more. And then just 1 plank that's 4 pieces long and 2 across. Be here. That one there. Okay, now from the very rear, we want to do this first, as you can see there. So it's these pieces. 1, like so. At the back, and this piece here goes onto there, clips it together, Then the corners. Click into there. And then this piece here, the 4x4. Goes onto that. And then the 8x8. Protruding just a little bit over the edge. Now, we also need, oh, oops, I forgot, we need 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, and 4, there we are. So these pieces, we'll start with the 2 larger ones actually, because they're going along there, which is just in here. Click them in. Those 2 go there. And then there. Excellent. Yes, look at that. Now we need some more for the long pieces. Oh wait, no, these first of all. These 4 go here and there. These ones go, they go on the inside, so here. Oh wait, no. Oh no, I was right, yeah. There. And there. I need these 4. Click in the longer pieces there. And then fasten them down. How's that? And then the last few there. These 2 go here. But first, put in that one there. That one there. And then these 2 pieces here. They go facing in. Yes, facing in. There. And there. Wow, look at that. Coming together nicely. Was you looking down the camera? And then swing it around so you can see. And how's that? Looking more and more like a warship every time. Excellent. All right, I'll just leave it there. And but that'll be enough for video number 3. We'll start moving on and do number 4 next time round. Yeah, wow, this is fun. I like doing this a lot, actually. Yeah, thanks for tuning in again, guys, and watching me slowly piece together the Battleship Bismarck, a little bit at a time. Once again, Cam, thank you so much for giving this kit to us and letting me do this. This is awesome. Guys, check out Sluban. It is a fantastic product. And yeah, join me for episode 4 of putting together Bismarck. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And as always, rock and roll.